What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and we are in Denton, North Carolina for C10 Fall Revival. And before we jump into the truck show, I figured I'll show you guys something cool. So I always stay at Airbnbs when I travel, and I usually look for like cool spots. Like I've stayed in like some buses, I've stayed in like these crazy little things, but I found this place called the Treehouse Room or something in Denton. It's not an actual treehouse. I thought it was, but I mean, it's a tiny home. Look how small it is. I'll show it to you guys real quick. So they gave me a little parking spot there. I have a little walkway right here. They even left me a little name tag. And yeah, welcome to my humble abode. This is it. Literally have a little desk and a mini fridge and a bed, and we're back at the front door. Kind of crazy. It's definitely smaller than I thought, but it's perfect because I'm at the show all day and most of the night anyways, and then I just come back here to sleep. But there's not even a bathroom in this place. I mean, like, this is it. This is how big it is. So you actually have to walk outside up the driveway to a bathroom. They have a pretty nice bathroom though. It's got a nice shower and toilet and sink and stuff all in it and everything, but not bad. It's like $90 a night. It's somewhere cool. It's different. It's like way out in the woods, middle of nowhere. So it'll be a fun little weekend, almost, I guess, kind of like camping. So I'm gonna go fill that fridge full of beer, and I'm just gonna drink beers and hang out and wait for the show. I gotta be at the show, I think at like 6 o'clock in the morning tomorrow, so we're just gonna sleep and enjoy our downtime, and probably throw on a movie or something like that. But hope you guys enjoy the video, and I will see you guys at the show.